Ready? 1, yeah, 1, 2, yeah, 3, yeah, 4, yeah, 5. Good boy. Now hang on. Mum's still awake. Now you got to push on her chest because she's still awake. Now not as quick.
On your knees, on your knees.
That's it, so push hard. So not as quick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mum's still awake. Mum's going to roll over. You're going to hit her on her back. I know. Give Mum another hit on the back. How many? 5, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now can you do another 5 pushes? No.
Not on the front.
Don't hurt Mum, okay? So, try to save her. Ready? 1. Nice and deep. 2.
On your knees.
3. On your knees. That's right. 4. No, just 5. Just 5. Okay? That's what you got to keep doing if Mum's looking at you. She's relying on you. Okay? She's trying to save her. Now she's close her eyes. Just close her eyes. What are you going to do next? Let's see if Mummy's awake. No. The eyes are closed. Okay, you're gonna remember how you tried to wake that set. So if Mum's not awake, what are you gonna do?
Smack her in the nose.
No.
Call.
It's emergency.
What are you gonna call?
Who are you gonna call?
000.
Good boy. And then don't hang up. And then what do you have to do next? You're gonna check Mum's.
See if I'm
Remember what
breathing.
you did? Good boy. Now you're gonna check to see if Mum's breathing. Do you remember how to do that?
Put your ear there. See if you can.
Mum's breathing. Oh, you want to use that now? Oh, okay. Yeah, good boy. Okay, but hang on. So you have to see if Mum's breathing first.
See if,
So, just check Mum's breathing. Quick, check Mum's breathing. Do that for me with your hand here.
listen if there's any breath.
That's the way.
Is my
And I'm
chest going up?
I'm the ambulance, so I'm going to count 10 seconds. Ready? 1.
You count how many breaths I do.
She's not breathing.
Okay, so what are you going to start doing?
CPR.
Can you show me how to do? Yeah, okay. Good boy. Can you show me how you do CPR now? If you have to push on Mum's chest. You're going to know, remember, that you push a bit quicker this time. On your knees. Good boy. Nice and hard. Push nice and hard. Nice and hard. Not so quick. Not so quick.
1,
2, 3. Remember, count to 30. That's good.
4, 5,
Do 30.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually,
30. No, 30.
I want to do Baby Shark.
Okay, well, you sing to Baby Shark for me. You sing the song.
Baby Shark.
Yeah, good. Push, but you need to push as you sing. That's it. Yep. Okay. But then you've got to remember to give Mum 2 breaths again. Okay. All right. And again, you know, practice that at home.